We're talking about triangles. And in a minute, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about the exterior angles of a triangle. In the meantime, I need you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Another math jewel coming up shortly. What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. As you can see, this little small diagram right here is going to help me with today's lesson. We're talking about exterior angles, and what do you think an exterior angle is? Let's show you. An exterior angle are these angles right out here. Those angles on the outside of a triangle. Now, typically you don't see this angle right here that's vertical to one of the interior triangle angles. You don't see that referred to as an exterior angle. So it's the adjacent angle. So technically this one right here wouldn't be adjacent, that one if I extended those lines, right? So we're going to talk about exterior angles and the exterior angles theorem, okay? So the exterior angles theorem tells me that the exterior angle of a triangle is congruent to the two non-adjacent interior angles. So what that's saying is if I have this diagram right here, right? If I have this triangle, and let's just say this is angle A, angle B, and angle C, and angle D. What this tells me is that angle D, the measure of angle D, is equal to the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B, okay? So once again, the exterior angle is congruent to the sum, or it's equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. This C would be adjacent to D. So adjacent angles, they share a side. So anytime you have an exterior angle, if I was to draw this angle here, and let's say this was angle E, then that means angle E is equal to the sum of angle B plus angle C. If I drew angle F right here, then angle F would be equal to the sum of angle A plus angle C. Let's do some examples. Now, in this first example, we want to do two things. We want to find the measure, well, actually, we only want to do one thing, but it's going to take a process of two things. We want to find the measure of the exterior angle shown. So you can see the diagram here. Now, it takes two things because, first of all, you have to identify which of these three angles is the exterior angle. This one would be the exterior angle, the 2x minus 8 degrees, right? Based upon our definition from that we just stated. So now we want to create an equation, right? Remember, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. All right, so based upon that, the exterior angle here is equal to the sum of these other two interior angles. So now we just solve this equation, all right? I want to subtract x first. Remember, these equations have multiple entry points. I want to bring down my minus 8. Those cancel, and then I bring down my 31, right? From here, the opposite of subtracting 8 is just adding 8. Boom. That cancels. 31 plus 8 equals 39. So now, here's the thing. X equals 39, but it says we want to find the measure of that angle. So we need to say 2 times 39 and then minus 8. And so 78 minus 8 equals 70. So our actual answer is this exterior angle equals 70 degrees. So always remember that. Know the difference between when the question is asking you to find the value of the variable and when it's asking you to find the measure of the angle. This would be an answer choice in a multiple choice question, but our actual solution is 70 degrees. So here in this example, we have different diagram. We're doing the same thing. We want to find the measure of the exterior angle. The exterior angle here is going to be this one. These are going to be the two non-adjacent interior angles, right? Now, we can create the equation that says 7x plus 1 plus 38 is equal to 10x plus 9. Doesn't matter. We can take the parentheses off of here in this case. So 7x plus 39 equals 10x plus 9, right? And let's say I want to subtract 39. Boom. That cancels, so 7x is equal to 10x, because I'm going to bring that down, minus 30. Subtract 10x. That cancels, I get negative 3x equals negative 30. And I don't have space to show you that I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. And negative 30 divided by negative 3 is 10. So x equals 10. But we're not done. We have to find the measure of this angle. So we need to multiply 10 times 10 plus 9 and get 109. That is our answer, 109 degrees. In the last example, I didn't show you how we can check it. That's the thing about this stuff. You can always check your answer. Well, if this equals 109, let's check this. 7 times 10 is 70. 70 plus 1 is 71. 71 plus 38 is 109. So the sum of these two is 109, which is the same as this angle measure. So that is another example of how you can use the exterior angles theorem. We're incorporating the algebra with the geometry concepts as well. And that's the beauty of geometry. Thank you so much for rocking with me and watching. Check me out on Instagram at @YoungGurus_Math Tutoring. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to the page. I'll see you next time. I still got the solution to your math problems.